Fairmate, an Indian multinational company, is one of India's top manufacturers of construction chemicals, providing cost-effective solutions and world-class services to customers across the globe. Fairmate introduces WATERGUARD PU membrane. It is polyurethane-based elastomeric coating, formulated to give long-lasting, maintenance-free, and superior waterproofing protection for concrete and steel structures. WATERGUARD PU membrane is used as a waterproofing or vapor barrier for protection of foundations and basement, ground floors, kitchens and bathrooms, split slab, terraces, balconies and patios, car park decks, inverted roofs and sunken slabs, tunnels. Advantages of WATERGUARD PU membrane. Single component, easy to apply. Applied by roller, brush, or airless spray. Tenacious adhesion and high elastic recovery. Long-term resistance to pond water. High elongation permits membrane to stretch with movement in the substrate. For more information about product, please call toll-free 1-8001-234-534 or visit us at www.fairmate.com.